If you ever wanted a plant that looks stunning, survives low light, forgives missed waterings, and practically thrives on neglect, you're looking at it. The ZZ plant is the toughest, most beginner-friendly houseplant out there. But if you want to do it more than just survive, if you want lush green growth, shiny leaves, and long life, you'll need to follow a few smart care tips. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy but powerful tips to keep your ZZ plant thriving. We'll begin with a guide on selecting the healthiest plant at the nursery to ensure so you don't bring home trouble. Let's jump in. When you go plant shopping, the ZZ plant can look pretty similar at first glance. But look closer. Here's what to look for. Leaves should be deep green and glossy. That's a sign of good health. The stem should be upright and strong, not floppy or yellowing. Check the base of the plant, gently feel the soil. If it's soggy, walk away. Overwatered ZZ plant often have root rot. Turn the pot around, look under the leaves for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. A clean plant is a healthy start. Avoid plants with brown or mushy stems, wrinkled leaves, a sign of underwatering. Pots without drainage holes. Pick a compact bushy plant with multiple healthy shoots. It will grow faster and adapt better to your home. The ZZ plant is like that chill friend who never complains seriously. It can grow in low light, but if you want to thrive, not just survive, give it bright, indirect light. Place it near a window with filtered sunlight. Avoid direct harsh sun. It can burn the leaves. If you're keeping it in dark corner or office, consider small grow light to keep it happy. I've once left my ZZ plant in a windowless bathroom for 3 weeks during renovation, and it didn't flinch. That's how tough this plant is. Here is where many people go wrong. ZZ plants store water in their rhizomes, that potato-like part, under the soil, so they hate being watered too often. Rule of thumb: water only when the soil is completely dry. Use moisture meter to check the soil moisture. Only water when it shows fully dry, or you can check the moisture with the chopstick. If the soil is sticking on the chopstick, you should wait for a few more days. When fully dry, water thoroughly. Saturate the soil fully. You can also try bottom watering to saturate the soil 100%. In winter, you might only water once a month. Seriously. Overwatering leads to root rot, the #1 killer of ZZ plants. If you're ever in doubt, don't water. It's better to underwater than overwater. Imagine wearing wet socks all day. That's how a ZZ plant feels in bad soil. Use a well-draining mix. 2 parts regular potting mix, 1 part perlite or sand. Or you can use a handful of cocoa peat for slight moisture retention. Always use a pot with drainage holes. If you're using a decorative pot, make sure it's just a cover, not the main container. Pro tip: terracotta pots work great for ZZs because they let excess moisture escape. ZZ plants don't demand much, but a little food goes a long way. Feed once every 2 months during the growing season, spring to early fall, with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. They are usually pest-free, but if you see white fuzzy stuff, mealybugs, or webbing, spider mites, wipe the leaves with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Dusty leaves can block light. Wipe the leaves once a month with a damp cloth to keep them shiny and healthy. Here are a few extra tips most people forget. Temperature. ZZs like it warm, between 65 degrees of Fahrenheit to 80. Keep them away from cold drafts and heaters. Don't prune too much, just remove yellow or dying leaves from the base. Propagation. You can grow new ZZ from a single leaf, but it takes patience, even months. If you're curious, I have made a full video showing exactly how to do it, step by step. The link is in the description. Pet safety. Quick heads up, ZZ plants are toxic if ingested. Keep them away from curious pets and small kids. Before we wrap up, here is something cool if you ever want to multiply your ZZ plant. Try dividing the rhizomes during repotting instead. Hope you liked the video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.